Hey, what is up guys? This is Carlo Rodulfa and welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna unbox this WACOM intuos tablet. This is the 2018 version and this is the small one. So, stay tuned. Okay, so now we have this WACOM intuos tablet. This is the 2018 version and the non-Bluetooth one. So I do expect some wires with it. So this is the unit. They have updated the cover of the box and made it a little more enticing to the younger ones. So let's open it up. This trusty little utility knife. I open the box. Here we go. Okay, so you may have noticed that the plastic isn't sitting quite as well as you'd expect because I opened it and tested it out just to know what works and what doesn't. So this is the stylus or the drawing pen itself, and we have the cord or the USB cords. It is from USB A to micro USB, and we have paperwork that's gonna help you start up. So this is what you have inside the box. You have the tablet, you have the pen, and you have the cord, and that's it. So first is the stylus or the pen. As far as I've known with WACOM graphic tablets, it doesn't need any batteries to be used. And I'm also surprised and glad to let you know that this tablet does not come with any batteries. So it is only powered by the micro USB cord, and that's it. Okay, let's dive with the specifics. First, we'll start with the stylus. The stylus or the pen is fairly designed. It's well designed. It has a tapering grip to it from the top to the grip itself. It has two buttons, which is mappable. When you start it up, it first sets to right and left click, and you can map this any how you like. And you'll find a difference or a slit there which hides the extra nibs included in the box. So this tablet has 3 extra nibs for you to replace, and you'll find a lot of videos in the internet on how to replace the nibs. The pen or the stylus has great weight, great balance. It's a lot lighter than the Apple Pencil, but it's quite heavier or slightly heavier than the WACOM intuos bamboo stylus. That's pretty much it. Next, we'll dive right in is the tablet itself. Okay, so the tablet itself, you'll find 4 mappable custom keys, and you can map this any how you like. It has 152 millimeters wide of an active area and 95 millimeters of height for the active area, 200 millimeters by 160 millimeters width with an 8 millimeter height or thickness. You have a loop on top for you to store the stylus or the pen neatly, and that's it. Let me remove that right there. Next is we'll see what's at the back. At the back, there's pretty much nothing, just the logo and the intuos brand. And on the upper left side corner, there is a loop for you to lock this tablet in or have it have a strap on it. The right side is the micro USB input. It has 4 rubber feet that is designed to reduce your slipping from the table, and that's it. Okay guys, what is up? And now that you have plugged in your tablet and downloaded everything you need with it, so we're gonna test it out. We're gonna first load up Photoshop, and whoa, it's like super fast. Just kidding. This computer is really slow, so I already loaded up Photoshop for me to use with this. So okay, so first test. First test is lines. So we're gonna start with vertical lines. I have the pressure sensitivity on in Photoshop, so you can see how the lines get thicker as you put more pressure on the pen. And next is horizontal lines. This one is light, this one is light, semi-light, and this one's heavy and super heavy. Second test. Is the diagonal lines. As you can see, there's a bit of lag with it, and that is not with the tablet itself, but mainly because I'm recording my screen with it. So that's it. And third test would be circles. As you can see, it's very smooth actually. Oh, what did I do? And that's circles for you. And we might do some squiggly lines here. And that is pretty much it. So if you're looking to buy one, this is a great little tool to help you in if you're starting out with illustrations or drawings on your computer, starting out digital painting or whatever, using this for photography and everything. It's pretty much more than you could ever need. Yes, the only downside with this is that you can't see the illustration on where you're drawing at. You need to look up at the screen, but it takes some little time of getting used to. So with a little practice, you'll be a master with it. You can see the pressure sensitivity there. And there's a little test for you. And that's pretty much it. So here's an overview of what I did, and that's it. Okay guys, so my first impressions of this is the best bang for your buck graphic tablet you can ever buy today, this year, and this is one of the best brands and the best build quality I've ever experienced using tablets. Granted that it's not really a lot of tablets, but I've tried the iPad Pro the Wacom Bamboo, which is the older version of this, and other tablets, Chinese tablets that is out on the market. So this is one of the best and one of the greatest graphic tablets you'll ever get your hands on. So now, maybe you're wondering, who is it for? Well, there's a lot of things that this tablet or this piece of tool can help you, or you might need eventually. First of all, do your research, assess your needs, and maybe cross-reference your needs if your needs really need or meet, or this tablet really meets your requirement or your needs. But after that, and you've maybe assessed that you need a tablet for your kind of work, well, this might be the budget tablet for you. This tablet only costs around 7,000 pesos, which is around a little over $100 US. Other people who might use this, artists, well, traditional artists, meaning using real paint or real acrylics, watercolors, and everything, and they want to try out digital painting or digital drawing. This would be a perfect stepping stone for you. For photographers, you would not need any other kind of tablet other than maybe the iPad Pro if you're an on-the-go type of photographer. Other than this covers most of the things you would need for post-processing photos, for editing, and for some layout graphic stuff you might do. Granted that you have already been pretty well versed with the softwares that is used in the industry, or the software that comes with this is a perfect tool for you. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video, and see you on the next one.